Guys, it finally happened. After months of waiting, I finally got my Cognizant DOJ mail. And guess what? My joining date is. Wait, I'll say in this video. If you're also waiting for your DOJ or just got it recently, listen carefully. Because a lot of updates are happening right now for Cognizant freshers. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about my Cognizant joining update. What's happening with the freshers DOJ mails, how you can prepare if your DOJ is near, and what to expect once you join. So if you are from 2025 batch who got your offer letter on August, this video is for you. So yeah, after waiting for too long, I finally got my joining mail at yesterday. So my DOJ is on November 17th and the location is Chennai. Cognizant has been sending their DOJ mail slowly on batches for the past few weeks, and it seems like now the things are finally moving faster. Many freshers from different locations are also getting confirmation mails, especially for November and December slots. So if you haven't received it yet, don't panic. Check your mails regularly, including your spam mails. You might be next. I know how frustrating it is to keep checking mails every day in the morning. I have been there. But here's the good part. Cognizant seems to be rolling DOJs continuously now. Any freshers who are waiting from July and August, they are getting DOJs on November and December slots. So just stay calm and make sure your documents are uploaded in the portal correctly or not. Also, if your background check mail hasn't come, don't worry. Sometimes it comes after the DOJ mail. I know this journey long and tiring for many of us. We waited months, sometimes thinking, will I ever get the DOJ mail? But yeah, once you got your confirmation date of joining intimation mail, you can feel like it all feels worth it, right? Yeah. So don't lose hope, your turn will come. So if you already got your DOJ, drop your location and date in the comments. Let's see how many of us joining together. So yeah, that's my update. DOJ on November 17th at Chennai. And yeah, I'll keep sharing my experience once I joined, from the onboarding pause to training life. Until then, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe. See you in the next one. Kaluskundaam. Bye.